Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by gathering the essentials: flashlight with fresh batteries and a working radio so you can interact with signals. Once done, confirm the lighthouse marker on your map and head to the west approach where the generator lives. You need a safe perimeter. Make sure to clear enemies or distractions before proceeding because stealth keeps your resources. Move quickly but deliberately toward the fenced generator and prepare to inspect the fuse box and the surrounding switches. You restore power by starting the external generator, then flip the primary breaker in the adjacent service shed. This powers the lighthouse systems. Once active, approach the lower service door and inspect the locking mechanism. Look for a rusted padlock or an electronic panel. If you have the lighthouse key, use it now. Otherwise, use the override by inputting the sequence indicated on the nearby terminal. Make sure to listen for mechanical confirmation, and you climb the stairwell to the lantern room, clearing debris and watching for hazards. Once inside, locate the central wheel or control console that governs the lantern door. Turn the wheel or use the console to release the latch. You will feel and hear the mechanism move. If the door fails to open, first cycle the breakers and double-check your key or override codes. Troubleshooting tip: if it remains stuck, force the override switch while power is stable. This usually resets the lock and completes the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.